What is happening with the Houston real estate market? Hey guys, my name is Ken, your Unparalleled Houston Realtor, and the interest rate right now has been growing exponentially. A lot of home buyers are scared, and a lot of my clients have been asking me, hey Ken, where do you forecast the market going? So in this video, we're gonna be diving in all the informational, my personal thoughts, and if you guys haven't yet and you guys are interested in these types of video where we upload market reports once a month, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you guys are up to date all the time. Currently, the interest rate has increased to the high 6s and low 7s depending on your credit score and depending on many other factors as well. So how does this affect the sales? HER has released information on the month of August compared to the month of July of 2022. For single family median sales price, we're looking at $348,000 dropping down to $341,000. As for total inventory on the market, we still have that 2.5 months amount of inventory, and typically for a balanced market, we are looking at 6 months. For pending sales, we actually went up in pending sales from 8,300 to 8,520. And the total number of property sales is still at a high number of 10,157. So what does all of those numbers mean? So right now, even though interest rates has increased astronomically high, a lot of home purchasers are still purchasing home because of interest rate lock. Interest rate lock is when you purchase a home, your lender is able to lock in a certain interest rate for a certain amount of time. So a lot of those buyers are still eligible for that low interest rates compared to now. But with 7% interest rate right now, I forecast the next upcoming month to be a lot slower than what it is. And we could see this throughout a lot of builders giving huge price reductions, $50,000, $70,000. I've seen it all, and they're giving back huge incentives as well. So this might be a perfect time for a buyer like yourself to potentially look into purchasing a new construction. Because typically when you build a brand new home, it's gonna take you anywhere between 8 to 12 months. And with interest rates jumping up and down and everything, a lender can't lock in that rate. So when interest rate jumps up to 7%, a lot of those purchasers are disqualified in purchasing the home. So those homes that they're currently building, they go back onto market, and that's how builders are able to give these crazy discounts. Keep in mind that this is not 2008 where homes were foreclosing left and right. Nowadays, lenders are going through strict underwriting, making sure that the loan is safe as an investment for the bank and also safe for the consumer to purchase as a home, making sure that everyone can make their payments on time. But if interest rates keeps increasing, I definitely foresee buyer demand slowing down, and a lot of sellers that currently lock in their interest rate at 3, 4, 5% interest rates, they're not enticed to sell their home. Because once they sell their home, they're gonna have to purchase a new home with a higher interest rate and most likely a higher monthly payment. As for buyers, if interest rates keeps on increasing, it's gonna decrease the purchase powers of buyers downwards and increase their monthly payment a lot higher than what it would have been a couple years ago. So the biggest question of them all, is this still a good time to purchase a home right now? The short answer is yes, and let me tell you why. Previous years, we see interest rates extremely low and the home prices extremely high, and still a lot of people were still worried about paying those high prices. But now that interest rates are a lot higher and home prices did take a step back, correcting itself, it's still a perfect time to purchase a home. Because matter of fact, purchasing a home, there never is a perfect time. Interest rates are always going up or down, and home prices are doing vice versa as well. So there's no real way to time the market. Only when you guys feel that the monthly payment makes sense, that's when you guys should purchase a home. Remember that the biggest interest is not purchasing a home, it's renting and paying someone else's mortgage off. Well, that's all guys. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. If you guys have any plans on purchasing, selling, or relocating to the Houston area, our team here would love to help out. And if you guys have any questions, comment them down below and our team will get to you shortly. Unparalleled Houston Homes, out.